Hi, my name is Sichava Pohledi. I am 16 years old. I love this class because it's too fun. And I learn how to stand on the stage. Don't be afraid of many people when they hear me when I am taking a speech. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Relebile Musunkutu. I'm 15 years old. I like this lesson because I can stand on the stage confidently and saying something. And I learn the body language too. That before I cannot do, and now I can do it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Nsabse. I am 14 years old. I love this workshop because I can learn many things and it is fun. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone. My name is Cecily. I'm happy today because I learned many things like body language, because at first time I did not even know how to speak on the stage, and I was afraid to talk to many people. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Mamuna Mudi. I like this class because it's funny and I've learned how to speaking on the stage. I like this workshop.
Hello everyone. My name is Tepang. I like this workshop because I learned a lot of things. I learned how to stand on the stage and present and tell other people about my dreams. Thank you.